Each year, we know the flu causes millions of illnesses, hundreds and thousands of hospitalizations, and tens of thousands of deaths in the United States. It's unclear exactly what will happen this fall and winter, as each flu season is distinctly different. COVID-19 and the flu simultaneously could place a tremendous burden on our health systems, cause too many additional illnesses, hospitalizations, and deaths. Now more than ever, it's important that everyone do their part to protect themselves, the community, and Northern Virginia from the spread of respiratory illnesses like the flu. Getting a flu vaccine, we know, will reduce the risk of flu and its potentially serious complications. Protect your family and coworkers from getting sick with the flu. Help keep you and your loved ones out of medical settings and lower your risk of COVID-19 exposure. Help protect frontline workers and conserve scarce medical resources needed for the COVID-19 fight. Wear face masks, keep out of hospital beds and ventilators for the benefit of our community. Help flatten the curve of respiratory illnesses this fall and winter. The more who are vaccinated, the more people will be protected. The CDC recommends that everyone 6 months and older, with very rare exceptions, get a flu vaccine each and every year. Many of those who are most vulnerable to the flu contract serious illnesses related to the flu that could cause death. We recommend everyone in the Northern Virginia region get their flu vaccine to prevent dual illnesses from spreading this month and in October before flu season reaches its peak. The Fairfax County Health Department is offering flu vaccine for children and adults by appointment at 3 district office locations. In addition, the health department is hiring Maxim nurses to increase staff for its regularly scheduled clinics, working with neighborhood and community services to offer flu shot clinics at 5 strategically located senior centers targeting at our at-risk elderly population, working with NCS to offer a community-based flu shot clinic at a local house of worship which serves the Latinx community. 17 flu clinics are also set aside just for employees of Fairfax County to protect, again, our frontline workers. Visit www.vaccinefinder.org to find other places in the community to get a flu shot.